future of aviation involves drones working collaboratively with traditional aircraft. For years, DJI has been on the leading edge of innovation, especially when it comes to safety. From automatic return to home, to altitude limits, to obstacle avoidance, to our pioneering of geofencing. Now we're taking the next step, giving almost all drone pilots the ability to detect airplanes and helicopters that are flying nearby. We call that DJI AirSense. AirSense uses a special signal called ADS-B that airplanes and helicopters transmit to show their location. When AirSense receives an ADS-B signal, the DJI mobile app alerts the pilot with enough time to take action. ADS-B was designed for airplanes and helicopters, but already there are more drones in the sky than either of them.
Drones are going to play a very significant role in the continued evolution of aviation. And we, as an industry, all need to figure out how we adapt to that.
Well, safety is the #1 fundamental aspect of aviation. DJI has done a really good job of being very inclusive and collaborating with the manned aviation community.
The FAA is requiring traditional aircraft to install ADS-B transmitters by the year 2020. There's no mandate for drones to have ADS-B receivers, but DJI wants to be a good partner in the use of airspace. That's why we're building AirSense into almost all of our drones.
I think AirSense is going to be very beneficial to pilots like me that use drones responsibly. It'll give more situational awareness and visibility to the drone user that otherwise they might not have.
AirSense is already installed in DJI's newest systems, like the Matrice 200 series and the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And now, DJI is committing to installing AirSense in all the drones it makes over 250 grams.
DJI's decision to equip the majority of its drones with ADS-B is a very positive development and an important safety improvement in the use of drones in the national airspace system.
Safety really is the most important thing. So when we design and implement our safety features, we always have as the top priority contributing to the safety of the airspace that we share.